So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can change the showcase video of the gig that you have been already published or currently active on your gig, your Fiverr profile. So you can do the same process from any of the devices that you have been using. All you have to do is just simply sign in to your Fiverr account. For example, if I open the Fiverr on my Windows PC browser, now this is the home page. First, let me switch to the selling account. You're gonna see this option of switch to selling over the top right corner. I just need to click on this option. Now this is the dashboard of the selling account. For first of all, I need to open my gig window. So you all have been familiar with this page, where on the top you're gonna find 4 options, and you have to just simply click on this option of my business, and here you're gonna find this option of gigs. Just simply click on this option, and now this is the active gigs list over there. Currently I have only one active gig on my profile. So if I want to change the showcase video of this particular gig only, I just need to click on this option over the most right of this gig, and here you're going to find on this small window the second option of edit. Just simply click on this option of edit, and a pop window will open right in front of you, where here you're gonna see all the editing categories of your published gig. So to change the showcase video, simply go to this jump to this option of gallery. When you go there, here you're gonna see showcase video over that you have been previously uploaded over to your gig, and you can change this from here also only. You're gonna see either you can delete this video, or you can change this by this edit icon. When I click there, you're gonna see I am going to change this video very easily. I just simply need to first delete it. When I delete it, you're gonna see now I just need to drag and drop a video to add on my gig profile video. So by this method you can easily change any of the gig showcase video on your Fiverr account gigs. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.